Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your computer and your organization's security policies is blocking authenticated guest access. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. Yan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na gpedit.msc and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And next step, so dito lang sa local computer, under dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates folder. So double click ka lang, and dito sa administrative templates ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network. Okay, so dito sa network kailangan mo lang mag double click, and dito sa network ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select or i-locate natin dito yung Landman workstation. Okay, so ito siya. So ang gagawin mo lang dyan ay one time select mo lang siya, and then dito sa right side ay makikita mo na dito yung kanyang settings. Alright, so nandito. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enable insecure guest logons. Okay, so i-select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo mag double click and pop up itong enable insecure guest logons. So, dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enabled, and then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang click dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, and then next, close lang natin tong local group policy editor, at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix your organization's security policies block authenticated guest access. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.